What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, we're going to be discussing this thing right here. This is actually a speaker box, speaker stand that is designed for the RTJ 410 speaker that you see right here, this monster professional speaker that we can put into your home. So what this is utilized for is to bring this 410 up to ear level. When you're sitting in your theater chair, you want your high frequency audio firing line of sight. So this is going to accomplish that in the case that you don't want to drop the money on another sub to go below it, which we are definitely going to recommend to give you the ultimate home theater experience. All right, guys, let's get into the quick little overview about this product right after the intro. Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna bring Jeff, the owner, creator, founder of RTJ speakers here on the video, and he's gonna give you the specs of this box.
So this is the brand new RTJ stand that's the exact same dimensions as the RTJ 18 sub. It is 22.5 by 22.5 by 15. It features heavy duty rubber feet. The top features a cap to fill it with sand, and also the divots for the feet of the 110 or a sub to sit into for stacking. And the MSRP is to be determined.
All right, guys, that is a wrap. This is a great solution if you don't want to invest in the additional subwoofer, but you're still wanting to maximize the potential of your system by bringing that tweeter up to ear level. We're going to recommend this product right here. Now, if you guys don't know what you need, reach out and utilize our free consultation service. Our guys would be happy to help you out with creating your dream home system. Now, we also have a preferred installer network that we're building up throughout the entire nation so that we have the local pros right there on the streets who can help get this product put in. In fact, we also have installers that can fly out anywhere in the country to put in this product because this is professional gear here, guys. This is not entry level by any means. So if you would like to purchase, make sure to give us a ring. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. That's all I got for you. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.